All right, everyone. We are going to look at QNT here, and you can clearly see QNT. We are on the 3-day chart, by the way, that depending on where you draw your lines for this wedge pattern, for this descending channel, whatever you're going to call this, you can push the narrative any way you want. So that's why here on this channel, we do not put too much weight on these patterns. They don't tend to always play out because, like I said, you can kind of draw the lines where you want to draw them at. It's not always completely accurate. See, we can draw this downtrend from right here to here, and you can see we have all these touches. And then we could say, once we break over this and get over this $98 range, then we can see that move to the upside. But then if we draw it from the whole price action here, you can see that we only have about two, maybe three touches if we go to that candle and that wick. And then you can see from there, this is starting to look more like a wedge pattern, which is a bullish pattern, but they don't always tend to play out. So we're just going to keep it simple here. And, I am going to point out that we are in the wedge pattern here. The price is going down. We do have bullish divergence, as you can see from the stock RSI here going up, or the MACD rather, not the stock RSI. So is this the bottom? That is the big question that everybody's wondering. How low is QNT going to go? This could potentially be the bottom indicated by this pattern and this bullish divergence. We do not know. Only thing we can really do is just watch support and resistance here and see what's going to hold and what is going to break. So if we continue up here and 83.80 is the bottom for QNT, we clearly need to break over that downtrend, get up here to the 236 at 98 for about a 15% move, and hold that for support here. Just notice all the support here at that level. This is now going to be resistance. So that could be, depending, like I said, how you draw your downtrend, that could line up with, where you're going to draw it at. And you could say that QNT here is probably going to end up coming up to this resistance level at the top of this wedge pattern, at the top of this channel, and get rejected here easily and come back down for something maybe like this. So that is a possibility, just pointing that out. We do not know if that is the bottom. If you're looking to get QNT cheaper, just kind of have patience. Don't throw all your money in right now thinking this is the bottom. That is not financial advice. But, leave some on the side to see if maybe QNT here is going to drop below 83, break through the bottom of this pattern here, and come down to the $75 area where this green support line is for about another 12% drop here, which I don't think we can really push the narrative with this here by drawing this. So, there is a case to be made that the bottom is in here. You can see that kind of screws up our wedge and our channel pattern if we adjust that there. So there is a good chance that off of this bullish divergence, off of this pattern, that this $83 range is the bottom finally for QNT, and we're about to finally start going up here. So we'll see how it plays out. Just kind of watch that support level here we're on. Watch the support below at 75 just in case. And the first price to break is the $98 range here. So we want to see QNT do this, come up, break over that downtrend, hold 98 as support, get that confirmation, and then our next stop is going to be that 382 at 108 here. So just keep an eye on those prices on QNT. Good luck, everyone. Not financial advice, and we will see you in the next one. Peace out. All right, so I wanted to add something on the end of this video here, just so I didn't have to make another one. We could potentially still stay in this pattern. I kind of adjusted the line here, and QNT could technically still do something like this, and then you can see that that would keep you in this pattern to come down to that $75 range here to that next support. So it is possible to, stay in this pattern for a good while, all the way through the rest of the year. So that is potentially possible for this to play out also on QNT. So with that said, now we will see you in the next one. Peace out.